Hello my friends, it's Mujiba here. I'm building the passive digital wealth builder number 8, which is going to help me build my holdings in artificial intelligence stocks. I'm going to build this as a pie on trading 212, and it's going to consist of 10 stocks. The first 5 stocks are going to be monthly dividend paying stocks. These will be used to build the second lot of 5 stocks, which are AI related stocks. So I'm going to go through the monthly dividend paying stocks that I'll be using. The first one I'll be using is Horizon Technology Finance. And this one has a dividend yield of 15.75%. And it's in the asset management industry in the financial services sector. And the next monthly dividend paying stock I'll be using is Orchid Island Capital, and this one pays a dividend yield of 17.85%, and this one's a mortgage street. And the next monthly dividend paying stock I'll be using is Oxford Square Capital, and they pay a dividend of 15.85%. Okay, Oxford Square Capital is in the asset management industry in the financial services sector. And the next monthly dividend paying stock I'm going to be using is Prospect Capital, and they offer a dividend yield of 15.84%, and they're in the asset management industry in the financial services sector. And the fifth monthly dividend paying stock I'll be using is next one is Stellus Capital Investment, and they offer a dividend yield of 11.50%, and they're in the asset management industry in the financial services sector. So these are the 5 monthly dividend paying stocks which I'll be using to build up my holdings in the next 5 AI related stocks within the pie. So I'm going to go through the AI related stocks which I will be building my holdings in. So the first one is ticker symbol NOW. Okay, service now. and currently they're not offering any dividend payments. I believe the price of this stock is going to increase in the future, so I'm going to add this to the pie. And the next stock is ISRG, Intuitive Surgical, and they're not paying out any dividends, so I'm going to add this to the pie as I want to benefit from the stock price increase. The next stock is CDNS, Cadence Design Systems. This one's not paying any dividends currently. And the next stock I'm going to add to the pie is SNPS, Synopsys. And they are not currently paying out a dividend. And the final AI stock that I'll add to the pie is TD, Trade Desk. Trade Desk, and they're not paying out any dividends currently, but I think the price of this stock is going to increase, so I'll be adding it to the pie. So this pie has is going to have 10 stocks within it. The first 5 will be used to fund the building of the AI stocks, as they pay out a monthly dividend, and this dividend is going to get reinvested back into the pie. And from time to time I'll be adding my own investments into the pie, but I'll be reinvesting the dividends every time. So let me get started on building this pie. So if I click onto new pie and click on build custom pie, add instruments, and I'm going to add the monthly dividend paying stocks first. The first one is Horizon Technology Finance on the Nasdaq. That's been added. And the next stock I'll be adding is Orchid Island Capital on the New York Stock Exchange. And the next stock is Oxford Square Capital on the Nasdaq. And the next monthly dividend paying stock is Prospect Capital on the Nasdaq. And the next stock is Stellus Capital Investment on the New York Stock Exchange. Okay, that's been added. Now my AI stocks. service now on the New York Stock Exchange. The next stock is ISRG, Intuitive Surgical, on the Nasdaq. The next one is CDNS, Cadence Design Systems, on the Nasdaq. And the next stock is SNPS, Synopsys, on the Nasdaq. And the next stock, the final stock, is TTD, which is Trade Desk, on the Nasdaq. So let's go through the pie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 stocks have been added. The first 5 are monthly dividend paying stocks, which will help to build my holdings in the next 5 AI stocks. So let's build this pie. Click on next, and I'm going to go for manual investment, manually invest in it. And then, okay, I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call it PDWB 0008 AI. So it's a passive digital wealth builder, and number 8, and this is going to help me build AI stocks, artificial intelligence stocks, my holdings in these stocks. Okay, I'm going to create the pie now. Okay, the fund distribution is self-balancing, and I'm going to put £100 into this pie. Okay, 100. Next. Okay, we are ready to go. Click on confirm. And just waiting for it for the investments to go into the stocks. So it's 10% done, 20%, 30, 40. Is gradually putting the money into the stocks within the pie. And if I look on the holdings, they're going into the pie, gradually into the stocks within the pie. 70% done. Okay, all the investments will gradually go into the pie, and I'll be reinvesting all my dividends back into the pie to build my holdings in the AI stocks, as well as the monthly dividend paying stocks. As with all the videos on my channel, none of it is financial advice, and it should not be treated as financial advice because I'm not a qualified financial advisor. I'm doing this for my own, I'm just doing it to show my own I'm showing you how I'm building my portfolio on Trading 212, the strategies that I'm using, and the techniques and tools. It's not to be treated as financial advice. My goal is to get my portfolio to a value of £100,000, and you can follow along and see how I get on by watching the videos on my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so now, and thank you for watching this video.